Nice to meet you, son.
Nice to meet you. Wait, I'm new. Wait, what?
You're a son.
Oh, I'm your son.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
so I'm a baby now.
Yes. You are now a baby.
Well, today we're going to be eating some wonderful breakfast.
But we're gonna add a little twist to it. We are
Yeah.
gonna try to combine mango with a cinnamon roll.
And I've got some chai tea.
And I got some Milky Wilky.
Sally Whaley.
Sally Whaley. Good memories. It brings back
Anyway, first let's try some
really
bites
good
of
memories.
their own, on their own.
Yeah, and it brings back really good memories.
Those were the days. This mango's really nice.
I'm actually trying right now. You can see my tears go down my eye.
Yeah, right.
I'm just kidding. I could cry on command.
A drop of
Oh yeah, that's some good mango.
Now I'm gonna taste some
It's really good.
milk.
Mango.
You need some milk. Oh, I'm sorry. I've ruined your childhood.
Yes, you have. Wait,
but I'm a child.
Son, don't talk like that ever again, son.
I'm
No,
sorry.
mango is really good. It's gonna be like our s'mores and the s'more cookie
Yeah.
thing. We're gonna judge plain, and then combined.
Okay.
This one will be
The cinnamon roll's pretty good.
pretty good. That's the. Let me taste. Oh. Nice.
I just had the mango with the cinnamon roll.
You wanna try
It's so good.
the cinnamon roll?
Water. Because it tastes sweet.
Whoa, the aftertaste.
The tea's nice.
Woo!
The tea is sort of spicy.
Ah!
It's got a bunch of spices, so it complements this flavor.
So I'll try it all of them together. So the milk plain, all of you probably know what milk is. What
No,
milk
I
tastes
don't
like.
know.
You don't know what milk
Dad.
tastes like? Oh yeah, son. Try milk. Wait, no, but you're gonna have milk soon.
But,
Fresh.
dude,
Off a cow. Because cow tastes good, right?
cows taste good.
Yes.
I've never had beef.
No, like cows taste good. Like literally, they taste good. Their fur tastes good. Okay. So try this mixed with.
You don't have to mix it. No, here's my recommendation. So, get a bite of the cinnamon roll. Put it in your mouth.
Ready, guys? Look.
Get a bite of mango. Voila.
Hey, I'm just doing this, and look. Clean. Oh, that tastes so good. Oh my gosh, that tastes so good. Wait, we're gonna judge. We need to judge. Okay, mango by itself. You go first.
Food out of 10.
Wait, mango by itself is out of 10? That's your 10?
It's 8.2. Oh yeah,
I'll say 8.3 for the mango.
tea/milk by itself.
Milk by itself or tea?
Either. Or first milk. Milk tea.
A 7.4 for the milk.
8.4. If this had a whipped milk, then that would be Probably like a 9.2.
That tastes like life.
What?
This tastes like life.
Well,
Sweet, slimy, and messy.
Life is slimy?
Which means like slippery and stuff like that. Like falls out easily.
And finally, let's go to the combo. Wombo combo.
Oh gosh, I almost spilled my milk. Move that over there so I don't knock it. Cut. I like cutting stuff. Wait, what are you doing? Oh, just the plain cinnamon roll?
Both. I think that if you have a mango to spare and you're having cinnamon rolls, instead of making some bacon, you should have some mango.
Mango. Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. Honestly, right?
Mm-hmm.
Time for the judging. We are gonna. Hold on. I'll go first this time. Both of them together are like an 8.7 or like a 9.2.
Yeah.
Right? Like a 9.2. Not a full 10 yet. It is not like 100% 10. Just because of the texture. Because like the texture is just weird, right? Like
yeah,
slime with dry. They're just textures. Not really.
It would help if there was more frosting.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, son. Turn off the TV.